Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Gmail to Windows 11 or 10 taskbar using Brave browser. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then visit gmail.com and sign into your account. After that, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut option. By default, Gmail will open in Brave browser in a new tab. In case you want to open Gmail in a new window, check this one option, Open as window. After that, click on this one Create button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Gmail. Now select it, press Shift on the keyboard and hold it. And after that, right click on this one shortcut icon. In the pop-up, select this one Pin to Taskbar option. Now Gmail icon will be pinned to the Windows taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one icon, it will automatically open in your Brave browser on your Windows PC.